So, what do you have there?
I have no idea. So no, we have the VAC Motorsports seat rail thing. I don't know what the
Adapter, platies.
Plate things.
Yeah.
Shit, garageristic knocks off.
Oh.
Oh. Sorry. Anyway. Oh look, I didn't notice it. Look, it's got a little E30 on it.
Oh, that's so
Look
cute.
at that. Anyway. So we're gonna put the seat in it.
Nice seat.
What? We've got a BMW with a Honda engine, with NASCAR parts on it, with an IndyCar turbo.
I forgot about that.
Oh,
And
they don't know that though.
no, oh yeah. And a Nissan uppipe. I'm just saying. I want the Delta Wing part on there so bad.
You want the Delta Dog on there so bad. With now a Porsche cup seat. So we just want to make the fuckery all go together.
Yes. So. This car will be built of a great orgy one night. So everything impregnated the BMW.
You thought only one seaman could get in. You were wrong.
You were wrong.
So yeah, so we just decided to continue. Then like it's got like an American drive shaft because it's got the U-joints.
Yep.
So anyway, so yeah, we just wanted to do a quick video of taking out this seat and putting that in and seeing how all this goes.
All right, so we're see y'all in a few minutes when we start pulling this out.
Oh fuck. Can't see that. You don't see anything. So I didn't know where to put my beer real quick. Right there. Alright, so get the seat kind of where we're thinking. So
It's not tight yet.
no, it's not. This is the new extra G-force feeling.
So we can't go out on a racetrack, so we're just going.
This is Corona simulator. So what I do is we just put the seat in there, and what I did. Oh yeah, feels good. I just take a piece of tape. So I sat in there and kind of yanked on the wheel a little bit and kind of figured out somewhat where I wanted to sit. I have the shifter just really crappily in there. It's just shoved in the hole. And so I did that, and then I just I just asked Kareem for a piece of tape. Take the tape, put it in the hole, or put it right around where it was. So I know that the front of the rail is going to be right here, and then just bolt it in. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple, and I'm liking where the seating position is. I had it all the way, so what I'm running right now, just so you guys can see, I'm running a second one up on the back and then a third one on the front. I'm kind of contemplating if going up to the fourth one up in the front. I like a little bit more tilt to be underneath my legs. My legs have got a nice angle on it. My arms are like perfect. We'll see though, because probably get rid of this steering wheel and everything, so that'll be later on. But for right now, and so then just take these bad boys off. Like so. Can you pass me the washers? Hello. You think we should put a little Loctite on these?
Yeah, what could go wrong? Yeah, let me get you some.
Nah. Just don't worry about it.
So like this thing's gonna vibrate or anything.
Never.
Gangster ass race seat, stock seat belts.
Hey.
Sorry. Eventually, one day, it'll get a cage in it.
No cage in this car?
No.
Okay.
Yeah. No. Problem. It's like everything, it gets out of hand.
I don't know what you're talking about, sir. We have never built a car, don't look that way, that was supposed to just be a simple build and then turned into like a complete complete gutted car and everything. That has never happened.
Nope.
Nor will it ever.
Not twice. It hasn't happened.
Really? Because that one right beside you too.
Yeah, we'll show a video of our, we just throw stuff in it now, but there's a nice video of it somewhere.
What? Blowing the transmission up?
Yeah, that's it. It's not how you blow your trans up, because if you keep trying to go after you blow your trans up, it matters. Oh, you got to go over one?
No, I just... What?
It's nothing!
Are these 14?
Hey.
Close enough.
No,
but I bet they're 13.
You know exactly what it was, which, hey, VAC, good job. I mean, normally somebody would have 13 millimeter everything, so go.
I like these.
Yep.
I don't know why anybody would go with a different company.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
Made in Coronaville.
Do we know what size these are?
No.
Okay, no worries. So everything still can be moved around, which is what I want. And I'll just take this bad man jammer. I said 2 in the rear, right?
Yeah. 2 in the rear, 3 in the front. You were thinking about going to the top one in the front.
Let's see. Fat guy will get in, and we'll see where we're at. Oh. Ooh. Yeah. Much
Better.
better. You know what time it's for.
Shake and bake.
Shake and bake. Woo! I can feel the Ricky Bobby. I feel like Dale, Senior. So I am a champion.
Yes. Oh, too soon.
Yeah. I think that's it. So it's pretty simple. Pretty quick, like I said, just once you get the tape, that's how you carelessly get out of the car. And look, woo! I like her tight.
Well, not if you're using all 4 fingers, but
No, I'm not that way. That hand this way. It's Japanese.
Japanese. All right, too
Horizontal.
soon.
Too soon. Sorry, Japan. I still hate you. So yeah, so the bolt, they bolt in. Pretty simple, obviously, and then we got the seat belt. What was that called? I don't know.
The female side of the seatbelt. Got a new one.
We got the one from VAC. Not to throw their product under it, I couldn't tell the difference between that one and the stock one.
Yeah.
It might be a little bit longer, to be honest with you.
Maybe. The only bad thing is it didn't come with a nut.
It
So,
didn't come with the back nut, which is weird, but
but if you were using it on a stock seat, you would be fine.
Exactly.
So maybe we
So-
should tell them that when you buy it, that you're buying it to
no,
use
that's
with
what
their-
it did.
Really?
It was it says 4 race seats, so that was the kit. But it says Recaro.
The window should roll up. If not,
It will.
I know.
Maybe right there.
It's gonna be fine.
Would you look at that?
Yeah.
Just
Yeah, who needs a window?
Who needs a window? Just run Lexan. It worked really well on that car. Being
Yeah.
a street car.
Yep.
Is that purge on still? Did I leave that on?
Yes, it is.
Are you serious? Fuck. Top secret open. That's how easy it was. We had enough head clearance, right?
Yep.
So with the helmet, you got a ton still because of the slick top. Woo. No sunroof. But yeah, I'm happy that I fit back in that seat.
Positive side to Corona. Too soon?
No.
Yeah, so once he gets done with the seat, we'll get back on the turbo manifold. Y'all already know.
Oh.
They already know.
Oh.
And I gotta finish wiring up the fuel pump. We're gonna do relay it from the battery, of course. It draws way too much amperage for the stock electrical system. It's like 16.5 amps at 40 psi, which we know we're going to see more than 40 psi, and it's already past the point where even at just starting it up, it's too much. So, because I think it's 7.5 amps on the stock setup. The injectors are here now. We got to get the injectors in. It's getting pretty close. So, All the sensors are wired up.
You should show them your trick little sensor thing.
See how much PSI I can do with my mouth? No. So,
Not that, but I'm saying the little bracket thing you got.
which little bracket? Oh yeah. So this is. This is some of the old NASCAR parts that we always talk about that we we just go through the bins and buy stuff like this. It's kind of cool. So we found a bracket, had the two sensors on it and thought, yeah, we could use that for something. So this way we'll actually be able to data log fuel and oil pressure. So it's no guessing and all the other stuff. We can actually data log it with the Honda. Honda K Pro. The K Pro has I think it is 9 or 10 analog inputs on it, so we can actually do way more stuff than that, but that's good enough for us to see if there's any issues with anything. So and we got to finish up the cooling side with changing the upper side a little bit, not by much but a little bit. So nice intake. Feel good?
Oh yeah. Yeah. So, like I said, my legs are good. Coming up a little bit, definitely. So I got a little bend on it, but arms. And look, see, I can.
Have to blur out the shifter location shot.
Well, it's not even in there. So. Sweet.
Nice.
Where's my hydraulic handbrake?
We talked about that. We've seen a couple guys do those in E30s and have to cut up the center console and stuff. We got an idea for that. So Jonathan's been thinking about that. He's going to become a drifter.
No.
Would you say you?
I'm already a professional drifter. So have you not seen my videos? Cut to the rain.
Almost off.
This thing is awful with the open diff. Like really bad.
We can fix that.
And then there's another one. I'm fucking awful, but it's not what I'm good at.
Oh my goodness.